It starts on Thursday, November 8th. And on Thursday, we have our Skills Share-a-thon, which is an awesome networking event. It's like our icebreaker event. Starts out on Thursday, and it's basically a room full of demo tables from your favorite sugar artists, demoing different techniques that you also get to try yourself. There's also going to be vendors there, so you get exclusive pre-show shopping from some of our vendors that will also be in the exhibit hall later that weekend. So before anybody else, before any VIPs get to see any type of products that the vendors have brought with them, before anybody else gets to touch the products, you guys, the conference attendees, get to experience the products firsthand, get to go ahead and buy them so that you don't have to worry about people selling out, and you get to actually touch them and play with them and play in sugar and learn new techniques that you wouldn't necessarily even thought to try. When it comes to Friday, we start off as the conference with opening breakfast, also with a celebrity Q&A panel. Okay, so your favorite sugar artists, people who are coming that are going to be instructors, and then a couple people who are coming from the outside who are not instructors will be on this panel, and we are going to have an open discussion about the industry, about being on TV, about being in magazines, about just trying to balance life and having a storefront, or trying to balance life and having a business out of your home. But you guys get to lead that conversation with our panel of sugar artists. When it comes to the actual core activities, classes actually start Friday at noon, and then they run until Sunday. Friday evening is where we're going to have our evening social. So like I said, in the day we learn, and in the evening we have fun. A lot of you guys don't just come just to learn, you come to have fun and hang out. So that's what Friday is going to be, another social time where we eat dinner together and we have a good time and just hang out. We start Saturday off a little bit differently than how we have in the past. It's just straight into classes. So classes start at 8 a.m. And then they run until 7:30. There's all kinds of different classes, and that's generally where the bulk of those 50 classes are going to come in. And that's also when the vendor hall opens. So if you want to sign up for a weekend pass or a day pass, which gives you access to the vendor hall, then that's actually around that same time frame. Saturday evening, there will be another party, and that is going to be our dance party, which will be themed Let's Go to the Movies. So that means, again, you can dress up as your favorite star or as your favorite character, or you can just come in your regular clothes and just have a good time, eat and have drinks and dance. Then on Sunday, so after we've hung out from like 7:30 to 11:30, midnight, how long you can hang, then we have breakfast and our closing ceremonies and closing remarks on Sunday morning, and then we have our vendor hall, which will open back up later that afternoon, and then we have some afternoon classes, and then we'll have our award ceremony at the end of the whole event. Going under the professional experience, you get access to the 4-day sweets conference designed for bakers, cakers, sugar artists, and under industry professionals. You get exclusive access to the celebrity sugar panel, which is the one that's on Friday. You get exclusive access to Thursday Skills Share-a-thon, which is that evening activity that I told you guys about on Thursday. You also get $100 credit towards individual classes. You also get up to 73% off class registration fees. So you pay for the professional experience, you get $100 back to sign up for classes, and then plus your classes are already discounted. Most of your meals are included. You get 2 vendor hall passes. So that means if you come as a professional, then you can bring a friend or a boo to like go and like scout out all the good stuff for you in the vendor hall while you're in classes. Okay, so you get to go to the vendor hall, and then your guest gets to go to the vendor hall. So that's again part of your professional experience. You get the hour early entrance into the vendor hall on Saturday and Sunday. You get a VIP swag bag, you get free event t-shirt, free raffle ticket, and free competition entry. So you get all of that if you come into the professional experience, because all of these things relate to people who are in the industry. We have a calendar view of the classes. It is available to people as soon as they register. Like as soon as you register for either the professional experience or for the VIP, you will get access to this document to help you with figuring out your class schedule, just kind of like how you did in school, right? And you were like, oh, I want to take this here, I want to take that there. So that is out there and accessible. And if you haven't had a chance to download it, then you'll probably be getting the link soon if you haven't already. Please email me info@ultimatesugarshow.com if you have any questions, and we look forward to seeing you guys later in November.